Hi everybody. One of the major reasons for a tax investigation is large or unusual payments into your bank account. The revenue these days can look at your bank transactions direct using their AI Connect. So you need to be very careful and make sure that you keep proper records. Obviously, the best thing to do would probably be to ensure that you have separate bank accounts for your business and personal transactions. This can save you a lot of pain, and it's just a pretty basic defense. They're not going to question that which they don't see in the first place. Don't forget, they don't need or there are situations when they can actually go directly into your account without your permission, although that's generally not the case. It's just to be aware of that fact, I suppose. Another thing which can generate a tax investigation are frequently filing late tax returns. This is evidence of poor record keeping, and is an automatic red flag for them, really. So one of the most important things you can do to protect against a tax investigation is to ensure that you file your tax return on time. So again, pretty obvious, really. Another area, which everyone wants to keep their tax bill down, obviously, but people have a tendency to overclaim on their expenses, because if your income is 60k and your expenses are 40k, giving you a net income of 20, the obvious question is, how are you living on 20k? They can look at, there are circumstances when you may be incurring high expenses in relation to income, but you need to keep careful records of that so that you can evidence it. They will look at, compare your situation to other businesses to see if it compares to that, and that obviously will be a red flag if it doesn't. And another big one, of course, is large and frequent cash transactions. Contrary to popular belief, it's not illegal to have cash transactions in your business, and many businesses do, but it is a red flag to the revenue. So again, you need to ensure that your records are very good. And the final thing I'd like to draw your attention to is lifestyle. People often don't realize that the revenue look at lifestyle. So if you're, reporting low income, and you're driving posh cars, or involved in property transactions which are outside of your league, well, obviously that's going to be a red flag. So the bottom line is here to be sure that you keep proper records of everything. That's it for today. Thanks for listening.